Welcome to this CommunicatorGO training session. In this video, we'll be walking through the CommunicatorGO desktop client. This powerful desktop application lets you manage calls, messages, conferences, faxes, and contacts all in one place. You'll learn how to navigate the toolbar, use communication modules, manage presence, and take advantage of advanced calling features. Let's dive in. Section 1. Toolbar Overview. When you first open CommunicatorGO, you'll see the toolbar at the top of the screen. This is your control center. On the top left, you'll see your profile image. Clicking it opens your personal information window, where you can update or reset your avatar. Images between 256 by 256 and 512 by 512 pixels are supported. Next to your image, you'll see your username and system notifications. Notifications show things like unread chat messages, missed calls, or new voicemails. If there's nothing new, it will simply display no notifications. Just below, you'll find the quick access icons. These include phone, conference, meeting, chat, voicemail, and SMS. The phone icon opens the soft phone so you can make and receive calls from your computer. The conference icon allows you to start or join a group conference call. The meeting icon lets you start or join an online meeting, either ad hoc or scheduled. The chat icon opens a messaging window for one-on-one or group conversations. The voicemail icon gives you direct access to manage your messages. And finally, the SMS icon lets you send and receive text messages if your account is licensed for SMS and the service is enabled. You can also customize your toolbar. To do this, click the three-dot menu on the far right and choose Organize Icons. A new window will open where you can add or rearrange tools. Options include Online Self-Care, which provides one-click access to your self-care portal, Send Fax, which allows you to send faxes from the desktop client, Call Parking, which lets you park calls and retrieve them when needed, and Personal Dialer, which allows you to load a CSV list of numbers and dial through them automatically. To add any of these tools, simply drag and drop the icons into the toolbar or rearrange them into the order you prefer. This allows you to set up a workspace that fits your needs. Think of the toolbar as your shortcut menu to everything CommunicatorGO has to offer. Keep in mind that access to SMS, fax, and personal dialer depends on your license and permissions. Section 2. Phone Module. The phone module is where you place calls and manage your call handling tools. To open, click the phone icon in your toolbar. At the very top of the window, you'll see several icons. On the left is the lock icon. Clicking this keeps the phone module open after you place a call. This is useful if you need to make several calls in a row. Once you hang up your last call, the window will close automatically. On the right side, you'll see the avatar icon. This gives you the option to hide your caller ID for all calls, or just for the current call. Next to that is the information icon, which shows your phone registration status when clicked. And finally, you'll see the headset icon. This is where you can select which audio device you want to use for your microphone, speaker, and ringer. At the bottom of the module, you'll find more options. On the left side, you can choose from different access codes. In the middle, you can toggle Do Not Disturb mode by clicking D&D. On the right, you can choose whether to place calls using your soft phone, desk phone, or another registered device. When it comes to dialing, you have a few choices. You can click the numbers directly on the dial pad. You can drag and drop a contact into the call field, or you can click in the box labeled Enter Number or drag in People and use your keyboard's number pad to dial. Section 3. Calling and Call Management. When you place or receive a call management window will open. This is where you'll find all the options to control and manage your call. At the top of the window, you'll see a toolbar. The first button starts a meeting, which opens a virtual meeting where you can turn on your webcam or share your screen. Next is the Invite button, which lets you add more people to your call and quickly create a conference. The Chat button allows you to send a message to the caller, as long as they are using the desktop client or mobile app. You'll also see a volume icon to adjust your call volume and the DTMF button, which allows the caller to securely enter numbers on their phone. This is especially useful if you need to take payment information. Just below the toolbar, you'll notice a dial pad icon on the left and a call quality indicator on the right. The dial pad lets you enter digits during a call, while the call quality icon shows you details about the connection. If you ever experience audio issues, you can open it to gather information for your support team. In the center of the screen, you'll see your call details. This includes the number you are connected to, the duration of the call, and whether the call is encrypted. You'll also see a box labeled Drop Contacts or Calls here. If you drag a contact into this box, the system will immediately create a conference call with that person. Beneath the call details, there are 6 main call controls. Mute silences your microphone. Hang up disconnects the call. Transfer sends the call to another destination. Hold places the call on hold. Voicemail sends the caller directly to voicemail. And Park allows you to park the call so it can be picked up at another extension. Along the bottom of the window, you'll find a sound drop-down that contains options to select your speaker and microphone devices. The center section shows whether the call is being recorded and gives you the ability to start or stop recording if it has been enabled. On the right side, you'll see the option to switch devices. This allows you to move the call from your desktop client to your desk phone or mobile phone without hanging up. While you are on a call, you can still answer another incoming call. When you do, your first call is placed on hold, and a new call window opens. You can move back and forth between calls by clicking Hold on the active call and Resume on the call you want to continue with. You can also place a new outbound call while on a call, and the system will automatically put the first one on hold. When you are finished with a call, just click Hang Up. If you need to transfer a call, click the Transfer button. A new window will appear where you can type the name or number of the person you want to transfer to. You'll then see 4 options. Transfer sends the call immediately. Supervised transfer lets you speak to the person first before completing the transfer. And voicemail transfer sends the caller directly to the person's voicemail. If you change your mind, click Cancel to stay on the call. Parking a call is just as simple. Click the Park button, and the system will display where the call has been parked. For example, you might see that the call was placed on parking lot 701. You can let someone else know to pick it up, or you can retrieve it yourself by dialing the parking lot number from your phone module. Section 4. Conferences and Collaboration. The voice conference module makes it easy to start or join a meeting. To begin, click the conference icon. From here, you can drag participants into the window to add them to the call. Keep in mind, contacts must already be in your address book to use drag and drop. If you need to add someone manually, click the icon in the top right corner of the conference toolbar, then type or paste the phone number you want to include. Conferences can be created instantly from live calls, or they can be predefined and set up ahead of time. To join either type, use the drop-down that says Please select Conference to choose the conference you want. Then use the second drop-down to select which device you'll use for the call. If available, you can choose the soft phone on your desktop, a desk phone registered to you, or your mobile phone if the CommunicatorGO app is installed and registered. You can also bring parked calls into an active conference, giving you flexibility in how you manage participants. When everything is ready, click Join to start the conference. If someone needs to be removed, simply click the X next to their name. If you decide not to move forward, click Close to exit the window. Section 5. Presence and Status. CommunicatorGO integrates presence information across desktop, mobile, and web. You'll see icons showing whether someone is available, busy on a call, or in Do Not Disturb. Last activity time when someone is offline. Custom status messages like in a meeting or on lunch break. To update your own status, click your status icon near your avatar in the top left of the main window. Options include available, busy, do not disturb, away, or a custom status. You can also set an expiration, so your status automatically resets after an hour, a day, or another interval. Section 6. Voicemail, faxes, and video calls. From the voicemail module, you can play a voicemail from the desktop app by selecting the voicemail you want to listen to and clicking the play button. You can also call back the number from the selected message, move the voicemail to old messages, download, or delete messages. Please note, deleted voicemails cannot be recovered. The fax module lets you send and receive faxes if your system is licensed for it. Outgoing faxes include a cover page and real-time sending status. Video calls can be started by right-clicking on a contact and selecting Video Call. Likewise, you can start a call or chat by hovering over a contact's profile image and clicking the phone or chat icon. Section 7. Best Practices. Before wrapping up this video, here are a few best practices. Always verify your audio devices in Preferences before important calls. Use clear naming for personal contacts to avoid confusion. Enable call quality metrics when troubleshooting network issues. Use presence and custom statuses to keep teammates informed. Regularly check for updates to ensure compatibility and security. This concludes our training on the CommunicatorGO desktop application. You've learned how to navigate the toolbar, use key communication modules, manage calls, set presence, and customize the client for your needs. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.